Filmora versus Sora AI video generator comparison. Choosing the right AI video generator can transform how you create content efficiently without sacrificing quality. Filmora offers powerful editing tools, while Sora focuses on AI-driven automation and creativity. Filmora and Sora are two leading AI video generators with distinct approaches. Filmora combines AI features with traditional video editing, giving users control and flexibility. Sora emphasizes fully automated AI generation, streamlining video creation with minimal manual input. Filmora is a comprehensive video editing platform enhanced with AI tools to simplify content creation. It integrates AI-powered features like auto-captioning, scene detection, and smart background removal within a familiar editing interface. Users can manually adjust clips, apply effects, and customize transitions, blending AI assistance with hands-on control. Filmora supports a wide range of formats and offers a rich library of templates and music. Its strength lies in balancing automation with creative freedom, making it ideal for content creators who want to polish videos with precision while saving time. However, Filmora requires some learning curve due to its extensive features, and fully automated video generation is limited compared to specialized AI tools. It suits vloggers, educators, and marketers who prefer to enhance videos rather than outsource the entire process. Sora is an AI-first video generator designed to automate the entire video creation workflow. Using advanced machine learning models, Sora generates videos from text prompts, scripts, or raw footage with minimal user intervention. It excels at producing engaging content quickly by automatically selecting scenes, adding voiceovers, and syncing visuals with audio. Sora's strengths include speed, ease of use, and the ability to generate creative outputs without requiring editing skills. This makes it ideal for businesses and creators who need fast turnaround and scalable video production. However, the trade-off is less granular control over the final output and fewer customization options compared to traditional editors. Sora is best suited for social media managers, marketers, and teams looking to produce high volumes of content efficiently without deep video editing expertise. Filmora and Sora serve different needs in AI video generation. Filmora offers a hybrid experience, combining AI tools with manual editing, perfect for creators who want control and polish. For example, a YouTuber editing tutorials will benefit from Filmora's detailed timeline and effects. Sora automates video creation end-to-end, ideal for rapid social media clips or promotional videos where speed matters more than fine-tuning. A marketing team producing daily ads can leverage Sora's automation to scale content quickly. The trade-off is between customization and convenience. Filmora demands more user input but delivers precision, while Sora prioritizes automation at the expense of detailed edits. Choosing depends on whether you value creative control or fast, AI-driven production. Choose Filmora if you want a powerful AI-enhanced editor that balances automation with manual control for high-quality, customized video content creation. Opt for Sora if your priority is fast, fully automated AI video generation with minimal effort. It's perfect for scaling content production without deep editing skills. Both tools excel in their domain, so pick one based on your workflow and